How to unlock Dasher Direct account. 1. Check for the reason. Accounts can be locked for a variety of reasons, such as multiple incorrect login attempts, suspicious activity, or account inactivity. 2. Reset your password. Go to the Dasher Direct app or the DoorDash website and select the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the steps to reset your password using the email address linked to your account. 3. Contact Dasher Direct support. If resetting the password doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to reach out to Dasher Direct support. Explain the issue, and they can guide you on how to unlock your account. 4. Verify identity. During the unlocking process, you may be asked to verify your identity by providing personal information or confirming account details. If your account is locked due to violations of DoorDash policies, resolving the issue may involve further steps depending on the situation. Thanks for watching.